Hi friends, in this section I will discuss about reserved words and keywords in Python. First of all, before telling the reserved words and keywords, I will clarify one doubt. Both reserved words and keywords are not same. There is a little difference is there. That is, all keywords are reserved words, but all reserved words are not keywords. Reserved words associated with some functionality is called keywords. And here, keywords have a special meaning in a language and keywords are part of the syntax. Keywords are part of the syntax, but in reserved words are words that cannot be used as identifiers, such as variables, functions, etc., because they are reserved by the language. This is the difference between reserved word and keyword. The words associated with some meaning or functionality is called reserved word. The word with meaning is called reserved word, and that reserved word with meaning or functionality is called keyword. And keywords are part of the syntax, and reserved words are reserved by the language, but both are not same. In Python, there are totally 33 reserved words are there, plus 2 recently added keywords, that is async and await, async and await. These keywords are provided by async library. And first, the use of async keyword is it specifies that the function will be executed asynchronously. The function will be executed asynchronously, and the await keyword makes the program wait for 1 second, and then that the use of await keyword is makes the program wait for some time. For example, here I want to return hello world program, but I want to return in first hello. After 1 second, I want to print world. At that time, this await keyword is used to wait that 1 second. This is the use of these keywords. And next, these are the keywords: true, false, none, and are not is. True, false, none, and are not is. These are the operators, and if, else are the conditional statements. While, for, break, continue, return, in, yield. While, for, break, continue is the loop statements. Try, can, accept, finally, rise, asset. These are the exception handling. Import from, as, class, def, pass, global, non-local, del, lambda with async await. Async await in this video I already discussed, but in later sections I will discuss clearly. It is difficult to learn all, but if you want these keywords, go to Python ideally and first import keywords. Import keywords. Sorry, import keyword, not keywords. Import keyword. Sorry, here I written by import keyword and print keyword dot keyword list. Then we got all 35 keywords, but it's not good way to understand like this. These are the 35 keywords. Like this is the better way to understand. Like this, first three are true, false, your boolean type, and or not is operators. If else conditional statements. These are the loop statements. These are exception handling. Import from, as, class, define, pass, global, non-local, del, lambda with async await. These keywords will learn in future classes. That's it about keywords. Thank you.